Ever feel like you're leaving money, or miles, on the table with your Capital One credit card? You're earning rewards on every purchase, which is great. But what if I told you there are simple strategies to supercharge that earning and get to your next vacation or cashback bonus a whole lot faster? If you have a Capital One card, whether you're earning cash back or travel miles, this video is for you. We're diving into the key ways to earn extra rewards, starting with the biggest one. The absolute fastest way to boost your rewards is by hitting an early spend bonus. When you first open a new card, Capital One often offers a massive one-time bonus, like 75,000 miles or a couple $100 in cash back, if you spend a specific amount in the first few months. You have to be strategic to meet that spending requirement, but the payout is huge and front-loads your rewards account instantly. Next, you need to master the category multipliers on your card. Don't just swipe your card for everything. For example, if you have a Saver card, you're earning top-tier cash back on dining, entertainment, and groceries. Make sure that card is your go-to for those specific expenses. If you have a Venture card, your priority should be using it to book travel directly through Capital One Travel. This is where the rewards explode. Depending on your card, you can earn up to 10x miles on hotels and rental cars and up to 5x miles on flights booked through their portal. That's 10 times the standard rate. Capital One Travel also offers other perks like price match guarantees and free price drop protection on flights, adding even more value. Another powerful, but often overlooked, way to earn extra rewards is by checking your Capital One offers. These are personalized statement credits that pop up in your online account or mobile app for purchases made with select merchants. You have to click to add the offer to your card before you make the purchase. It's an easy way to snag a few extra percentage points back on things you were going to buy anyway, from clothing stores to meal kit subscriptions. Finally, for you travel rewards fanatics, watch out for transfer bonuses. Capital One allows you to transfer your miles to over a dozen airline and hotel loyalty programs. Occasionally, they'll offer a bonus, say, 30% extra miles, when you transfer to a specific partner. This can dramatically increase the value of your miles, allowing you to book premium travel for fewer rewards. Keep an eye on your emails and the Capital One travel portal for these limited-time deals. So, to summarize, hit your early spend bonuses, always use your card for its high multiplier categories, book your travel through the Capital One travel portal, and check those Capital One offers for easy extra cash back. By doing these 4 things, you'll stop earning rewards passively and start accelerating your way to your next big reward. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.